everything you need to know about ZZ plants. If ever there was a perfect plant for the ultimate brown thumb, the Easy ZZ plant is it. This virtually indestructible houseplant can take months and months of neglect and low light and still look amazing. Previously, the ZZ plant would only be found in planters in malls and large office buildings where they would frequently be mistaken for fake plants, partially because they needed so little care and always looked healthy. But in recent years, they have found their way onto the shelves of both big box and hardware stores where anyone can purchase one. This has led to many people wondering how to grow ZZ plants. The short answer is that it takes very little effort. Learn about the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, gets its common name from its botanical name. As Zamioculcas zamifolia was long and difficult to say, many nursery workers simply shortened it to ZZ. ZZ plant stems grow in a graceful, van-like shape that starts thick and bulbous at the base and then tapers to a point. Along the stem are fleshy, oval-shaped leaves that make the plant look like stylized feathers. The entire plant has a waxy, shiny coating that makes it appear to resemble those made of plastic. Between the sculptural qualities of the plant and its waxy coating, it is not uncommon for people to insist that it must be an artificial plant. How to grow ZZ plants? ZZ plants do best in bright to moderate, indirect light, but will do fine in extremely low levels of light. This plant makes an ideal plant for a windowless office or bathroom where it will only receive small amounts of fluorescent light. While ZZ plants can take direct light, you may see some scalding on the leaves if it is left in direct light. Additionally, turning leaves, yellowing, and leaning can all be an indication of too much light. When you notice curling taking place, it typically means the plant is trying to move away from the light source. Move the plant to a shadier location or farther away from the light source. You can also try filtering the light with curtains or blinds if moving the plant is not feasible. Caring for a ZZ plant. ZZ plant care starts with a lack of care. In fact, ZZ plants will do better if you leave them alone. Much like cacti, they need less rather than more water. Water the plant only when the soil has dried out. The rare way you can kill this plant is to overwater it. A ZZ plant turning yellow means that it is getting too much water and its underground rhizomes may be rotting. So if you remember nothing else about caring for a ZZ plant, just remember to forget to water it. It can survive months without water, but will grow faster if watered somewhat regularly. ZZ plants are happy without fertilizer, but if you would like, you can give the plants half-strength fertilizer 1 to 2 times a year and only in the summer months. Growing ZZ houseplants is easy and especially suited for the forgetful gardener. General care. Sunlight. Thrives in medium to low indirect light. Can tolerate bright indirect light. Not suited for intense, direct sun. Water. Water every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. Humidity. Don't sweat it. Average home humidity is fine, can tolerate dry air. Temperature. Temperatures of 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Average home temperature is suitable. Size. While growth is slow, the ZZ can reach 16 inches to 28 inches. Common problems. Symptom. Wilting plant, dry potting mix. Cause. Thirsty plant, underwater. Symptom: wrinkled leaves. Cause: thirsty plant, underwatered. Symptom: yellowing and becoming mushy, with potting mix. Cause: root rot, overwatered. Precautions: poisonous if ingested. Best practice is always to keep houseplants out of reach of small children and pets. It's toxic but not cancerous. Don't eat it. Keep it away from nibbling pets and overly curious children, and always wash your hands after handling it to avoid skin irritation. Propagation: ZZ plants grow from large, thick rhizomes that resemble potatoes. These rhizomes store water, which is why the plant does well during droughts and places where forgetful owners live. Propagating ZZ is as simple as separating these rhizomes and replanting. Another method is to take a cutting with two leaves and a bit of stem. ZZ grows quicker when more rhizomes or larger rhizomes are grown together.